welcome to my YouTube channel Ultimate Home Tutor. Today we'll discuss about various PHP math functions. So PHP support various kinds of math function that will helpful in various kinds of operations like PHP has a pi function that return the value of pi like 3.14. So mean function is there, max function is there. Mean function is used to uh, find the lowest value from the given argument, or max function is used to find the highest value from the given argument. Okay, then PHP has ABS function. ABS function means that will be absolute positive value of a number. Means what, if you are given any negative number, then it will give you a absolute positive value for that. Then there is a SQRT function is there that return the square root of the number. Okay, then PHP round function is there. That function used to round the floating point number to the nearest integer. Like we'll discuss one by one all this. Random number is there, then random number is to generate random number, so that we can give to its random number from, we can give a range that 10 to 100 or 100 to that. You can do this way. For more function you can refer to php.net/manual. php.net, that will be good for you to refer the uh, all math functions. So we'll discuss today some functions with practically. So we'll do it fast and then start with next lecture. Okay, these are the noted down: this pi function, mean max function, ABS function, SQRT function, a round function. Okay, rand function. So this will give an idea that how this function will use it. Okay, and how we can do that value. Okay, we'll start executing program. So we'll first go to our editor and start with a new code, new file. I'm just save that file with the name save as math.php. Okay, so it will start with question mark php and end with question mark and angle bracket. Okay, so this we call the php that PHP code we can write here. Okay, so firstly we have to print the value of pi function that we are discussed first. So there is one simple echo and just write up this function value. So we have to be put in curly bracket and write it down pi and bracket. Okay, and then return it. So it will print the value of pi. Okay, and just save this file, save. Okay, and we'll go to run this file. Okay, delete this and enter it. We have math file is there. Okay, this one, math.php. The value of pi is 3.14141592653589. This is the value for pi. Okay, so you know that how we can put the pi value. Okay, it's very simple. Just put pi function. Pi function is there that will use in mathematical calculation related to circumference, circular motion, or whatever you want to do. It means finding radius of circle, whatever you use it. For that purpose we use a pi value. Okay, then we'll discuss next that we have already done, like a mean and max function. So we'll do mean and max function. So I'll just comment this echo and write it here. For mean and max, we have to use a number of values. In that we have to find it out, which is minimum, which is maximum. So that we'll first write echo. So this is a function, so I just write it here, echo, and I have to return in that function. So mean, again function values there, then I just write it down some values like 200 comma 23 comma 45 comma -7 comma 40 465 comma 45.90 comma -30.34. These are the some values. In that we have to find it out minimum value. So we just save this, and you will get an idea that how we can do this. Save, and we'll run it. So it will printing -30.34 is the lowest value in our program. That is -30.0 is the lowest value. Okay, is it clear? Okay, and just same, use echo, and use br for break line, and I'm just copying this whole line and just replacing mean to max. Okay, and this will be a max function. Max function is there, and just it return a maximum value. Here I think so 465 is the maximum value. I just find it out, is it true or not. So I just go with this and just run it. So 465 is the highest value, so it will giving me output like max function. So this is the mean max function. Then next we'll discuss about PHP ABS absolute, PHP ABS function. PHP ABS function is used to find or return absolute positive value of a given number or given value. So we just do it fast. I'm just putting here comment, so get idea that I have to use comment. We can use hash also. So look at here, I'm using double slash or hash, is the same thing. Then I want to use ABS function, so same echo, and starting with function. So delete this bracket, all this bracket, and write it in bracket format. Write ABS function is there. So write a number that you want absolute uh, positive value. So I'm just writing -78.009 point is there, no? Okay, so absolute value for this is 78 only, positive absolute value. So it will print 78. Okay, 78.009 is absolute value, positive value. Function written absolute positive value of a number. So it will give you ABS value like absolute positive value, that we use it, absolute positive value. Okay, next we'll discuss about next function that we call SQRT function, to find the square root of a given number. So we use SQRT function. So I just do it again, just putting hash here. So this is comment line. So I'm just writing echo. I want to use it a function, so I just put it in curly bracket SQRT, and again value like I'm putting here 100. So square root of 100 is 10. So output will be 10. It will be printed. Just save it and run it. So output is what? 10. Is it okay? Okay. So this is we call as square root finding. Like I'm here putting square root of 88. I don't know square root of 88, but it may be 9 point something is there. So that 9.3803, it will be the output for that. Okay, so you will get an idea that how we can use this function. Next function, we use a round function. Round function is used for round of floating point number to its nearest integer. Okay, so we'll just do it again, and just putting sorry hash and putting here a round value. So I'm putting echo. I want a function, so put a bracket round, a round function we are using round, and the value. Okay, a round function, I want value will be 0.0004, we put it. Okay, what will be the value it will give? Like save and run, it give you nearest value 0. So whatever the nearest value is 0. Look at here, I'm writing is 0.000, so it's giving me nearest value this. If I put 10 here, the nearest value is 10. Is it okay? So nearest value is 10. So I just put and run it again. 10 value will be printed. Okay. So round function will print floating point number. If there is a floating point number and you want a nearest integer to that, like for example 10.45 is there or 50 is there, we'll write 59. So I think so nearest value is 11. Okay, nearest value is what? 11. It will print it. Is it okay? So it will give you a nearest value for that. Okay, good. Then we'll start with another function that we called that we have to discuss is PHP random number. PHP random number. RAND function is used to generate random numbers, so that it will generate any of the numbers. Like we just type here, like echo, delete this, and in bracket the ran, and whatever you want to do, just put it here. Simple, blank. Okay, save. It will generate random number. Okay, it is giving me random number, whatever the size and this. So it will printing means any number, whatever the number. Just refresh it. So it giving me different number. Refresh it. It giving me different number. So particularly if you want to assign some numbers, random numbers, like from minimum or maximum value you have given, or we can do the range between minimum value to maximum value. For that purpose, you just uh, add two things here, like you have to add a range here, just adding 4 comma 99. Okay, just adding 4 comma 99, so it will uh, give me a random number between this only. Okay, 18, 11, okay, 25, 74, 70, 11, 38, 96, 28, 47. So like that only it will print the numbers. So these are the some uh, math function that we are using. If you want more information regarding random numbers, then you go on PHP function php.net/manual, and you can find so many math functions for your reference. Okay, these are the so many different math functions are there. Okay, but I just checking the that we are having useful lots of time, so that I'm selected only that only. So you take it from PHP.NET manual reference, and whatever function you require, just select from that only. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and we'll meet in next lecture. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and please share this video to your colleagues that they require to do something in PHP and web development. Okay, thank you. We'll meet in next lecture.